Hey friend, welcome to English with Nate. In this video, we're going to answer two important questions. What does the word labyrinth mean? And how do we pronounce the word labyrinth? Labyrinth is a noun, which is a person, place, thing, or idea. And labyrinth is just a big fancy word for the word maze. Let me repeat that one more time. Labyrinth is a noun, and it's a word that's very similar to the word maze. And a maze is an obstacle or something that you have to work your way through. Sometimes a maze is drawn out and you have to get from the starting point to the ending point. But sometimes there are labyrinths or mazes in real life. I'm going to read a couple example sentences so we can better understand the meaning of the word labyrinth. The dense forest was a labyrinth of twisted branches and leaves. The dense forest was a labyrinth of twisted branches and leaves. So the meaning of the word labyrinth is not that complicated, but it's a little bit challenging to say. So check out the bottom of this screen to see how many syllables are in the word labyrinth and how to pronounce the word labyrinth. But let's just not look at those pronunciation helpful hints. Let's practice together right now. I will repeat the word 3 times. I want you to listen and then repeat after me. Let's get started. Labyrinth. 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 That TH sound at the end? Labyrinth. Your tongue goes in between your teeth. Hey friend, thank you for watching this video. I want to make it where English doesn't feel like you're in a labyrinth or maze. Hey, there's some recommended videos I want you to check out, and I just really appreciate you wanting to learn English and practicing with me. Have a great day. I'll talk to you later.